립스가 다 볼 수 있어? 이렇게 큰 나무가 있을 준?
I feel like in UC Davis there's more nature.
Yeah, we have a
Ah.
farm. Do they have a farm here?
Yeah, it's very nice. This Berkeley campus, we are walking on the at the east space Berkeley campus. The trees old and tall and huge. 세계적인 명문 대학 UC Berkeley. But UC Davis is better. I like because my son graduated from UC Davis. Campus is better, bigger, right? The most largest campus is in UC Davis. Huge tree. Okay, sorry. Wow. Where's cow? No?
Life science building, this is psychology building. Ah, oh, that's